Welcome to the final part of this three-part series on rewiring the brain. In the first part, we explored the incredible potential for neuroplasticity in rewiring our brains. In the second part, we discovered the profound connection between stress and its impact on our body and our brain. Since our brains are like the ultimate supercomputer, generating more electrical impulses in a single day than all the telecommunication networks combined, we need to learn how to unleash this vast power. In this last part in the series, we learn how to maximize the potential like never before using neuro-cognitive remodeling technology to improve our thinking and transform our lives. Hello, I'm Kristen Clark, a certified Epigenetics coach with Insight Coaching and co-author of the book Living a Richer Life, It's All in Your Head. I'm here to help you uncover the thinking that has shaped your mindset. If there is something you would like to change or make better in your life, don't wait any longer. Take the first step and schedule an introductory session with me. It's the start of your journey towards self-leadership and greater success. And please take a minute to like and subscribe to stay up to date with our latest content. The latest in neuroscience research has shattered long-held beliefs about the fixed nature of the adult brain. We now know that our experiences, environment, and choices shape our brain, leading to profound transformations in how we think, learn, feel, and act. Let's explore two areas of fascinating research, neurogenesis and epigenetics, and see how they can empower us to rewire our brains. Neurogenesis is your brain's ability to create new neurons. On the other hand, epigenetics is how your experiences shape your brain. Neurogenesis refers to the birth of new brain cells or neurons, which continues throughout our lives and into adulthood. This means that our brain has a remarkable ability to regenerate and adapt. By engaging in activities that challenge our minds, we can trigger the growth of new neurons and create new connections between them. It's like building new roads or improving existing ones in a city, making our brains more adaptable and efficient. This process of rewiring the brain allows us to learn, enhance memory, and recover from injury. It forms a solid foundation for continuous brain adaptation, enabling us to actively shape our neural circuits and reduce the risk of certain diseases through positive thoughts, healthy behaviors, and a supportive environment. Epigenetics, on the other hand, is an exciting field that explores how our environment and experiences can influence gene activity. Genes act as blueprints for our traits, but epigenetic modifications determine how those genes are expressed in our bodies. Stay with me. For example, let's say there's a gene related to a disease in your DNA blueprint. Epigenetic modifications can determine whether the gene is silenced or activated, thus affecting your risk of developing that disease. Now, by epigenetic modification, we don't mean changing your gene by outside intervention. This change happens by cultivating positive thoughts and emotions, engaging in healthy behaviors, and creating a supportive environment. In learning how to do this, we can potentially influence how our genes behave, promoting optimal brain function and well-being, and reducing the risk of certain diseases. This understanding emphasizes the interplay between nature, genes, and nurture, our thoughts, behaviors, and actions, and highlights our active participation in rewiring our brains. It's interesting to consider the positive effects of experiences and training on our brains. Research on neural networks has revealed how experiences and specific interventions can shape and rewire the brain. Expertise in a specific domain of the brain, like music or language, can lead to distinct patterns of connectivity and enhanced neural efficiency. This just means that deliberate practice and focused training can actually remodel the brain and optimize functioning. It's incredible to realize that we have the power to shape our brains through the activities we engage in and the skills we develop. Next, we'll talk about some exciting breakthroughs in neurocognitive remodeling technology. Through this technology or techniques and approaches, we can learn how to optimize the rewiring process and unlock the full potential of neuroplasticity. The techniques I will share with you today include mindfulness, meditation, physical exercise, music, and meridian-based practices, though there are likely even more. Let's explore how 7 neurotechniques are being used to remodel and rewire the brain. The first is neuro-cognitive learning and training. Engaging in challenging tasks and learning new knowledge stimulates neural connections and promotes brain's plasticity. Recent advancements in neuroscience, supported by fMRI studies, have shown that reading interventions are rewiring the brains of individuals with dyslexia, enabling them to overcome reading difficulties and acquire literacy skills. Similarly, appropriate learning and training offer valuable strategies for individuals to learn how to overcome negative thought patterns, enhancing a person's ability to learn and grow. Whether it's embarking on the exciting path of learning a new language, exploring the intricacies of learning how to play a musical instrument, solving stimulating puzzles, or seeking guidance from an experienced neurocognitive professional, these activities and techniques actively contribute to the creation of new pathways in the brain. And in doing so, they foster growth and adaptability and unleash the remarkable capacity for personal transformation. The second technique is neurofeedback. Neurofeedback is a versatile technique that allows individuals to observe and regulate their brain activity in real time. Studies have explored its potential in addressing conditions like ADD or ADHD, anxiety disorders, depression, sleep disorders, and even enhancing athletic performance. By providing individuals with real-time feedback on their brainwave patterns, neurofeedback enables them to regulate their brain activity and improve cognitive functioning in different domains. Its broad application makes neurofeedback a promising tool for optimizing brain performance and overall well-being. Another groundbreaking area of neurocognitive remodeling technology is brain stimulation. This innovative technique uses mild electrical currents or magnetic fields to selectively modify brain activity in specific areas. Preliminary studies have demonstrated the potential of brain stimulation in improving memory, alleviating symptoms of depression, and enhancing learning capabilities. While further research is still required to fully understand and harness its benefits, brain stimulation provides a promising avenue to optimize cognitive abilities through precise and targeted brain rewiring. Number 4. Mindfulness and meditation. Engaging in regular mindfulness and meditation practices has been found to reshape the brain by increasing gray matter density in regions linked to attention, emotional regulation, and self-awareness. Research indicates that as little as 5 minutes of daily practice can create an optimal environment for neuroplasticity to occur. These remarkable findings underscore the potential of mindfulness exercises to enhance cognitive ability, alleviate stress, and promote personal growth. By dedicating a small portion of our day to cultivating present moment awareness, we can foster an environment where neuroplasticity thrives, leading to positive changes in our well-being. Physical exercise and brain health. Physical exercise not only strengthens our bodies, but has a profound impact on brain health. Aerobic activities increase the blood flow to the brain, delivering oxygen and nutrients necessary for optimal neural functioning. Exercise also triggers the release of growth factors that support the survival and growth of brain cells. Incorporating regular physical activity as little as 30 minutes or 5,000 steps 3 times a week can enhance neuroplasticity and contribute to a rewired and resilient brain. Number 6, the power of music. Music possesses a profound impact on the brain and serves as a potent tool for rewiring neural pathways. For instance, learning to play a musical instrument has been found to yield significant effects on brain structure and function. It activates multiple areas of the brain, including those responsible for memory, emotion, and motor coordination. Moreover, the therapeutic effects of simply listening to music can modulate mood, reduce stress, and enhance cognitive performance, thereby creating an optimal environment for brain rewiring. A recent example published in the Good News Network showcased the transformative power of music therapy and mindfulness techniques in the life of one man. Despite being almost completely paralyzed and unable to walk or speak properly, through these practices, his brain opened up, enabling him to now walk 2 miles a day and engage in normal conversation. This inspiring story exemplifies the remarkable potential of music in rewiring the brain and unlocking its extraordinary capabilities. Number 7, alternative practices. Numerous studies, including the National Institutes for Health in 2021, have explored alternative practices that harness the power of neuroplasticity to rewire the brain. Energy-based techniques, drawing from traditional Chinese and Native American medicine, as well as other modalities, acknowledge the existence of energy channels within the body. These practices have demonstrated the capacity to stimulate and harmonize meridians, thereby influencing brain activity. Research suggests that engaging in energy-based practices can effectively reduce stress, elevate mood, enhance cognitive performance, and foster overall well-being. By embracing these alternative approaches, individuals can tap into additional pathways for rewiring the brain and unlocking its extraordinary potential for growth and transformation. In conclusion, the future of neuroscience holds immense promise for learning and growth. The advancements in research, artificial intelligence, and wearable technologies will likely lead to more sophisticated tools available to everyone for rewiring the brain. Alongside neurocognitive remodeling techniques, individuals can integrate various other practices and modalities, personalizing their journey into rewiring their brains, promoting greater health, growth, learning, healing, and holistic well-being. As we wrap up this 3-part series, I want to express my gratitude to each of you who have joined me on this journey of exploring neuroplasticity and the power of rewiring the brain. It is my hope that this information has inspired you to take charge of your own brain and learn how to unlock its full potential. Remember that rewiring the brain is not an overnight process, but a lifelong journey of continuous growth and development. Be patient with yourself, celebrate your progress, and embrace the challenges that come your way. It is through these experiences that you will truly unleash the power within. If you found this series valuable and would like to continue your exploration of rewiring your brain, I invite you to subscribe to stay up to date with our content. And if you are ready for the next step in your personal growth journey, I have a special offer for you. Click the link below to schedule an introductory session with me personally so that together we can explore your unique goals, challenges, and aspirations and develop a customized plan to accelerate your journey. Thank you again for joining me. And remember, as a self-leader, you have the power to rewire your brain, shape your destiny, rewrite your story, and transform your life.